Hello, welcome everybody to August 7th stream for Gift. Live Forex trading and analysis. We'll be going over different pairs, different analysis. I had to switch up my trading style for a little bit, but it'll be alright. I think the silver and gold are too volatile for me to trade right now, so I'm just going to stick to the pairs. And then me and Chan were talking. I think we're going to go for 10 pips per trade. And I think I'm going to stick with that for the next little while. Build up the account, and then, yeah, we'll see how that goes. But other than that, let's get started. Yesterday was pretty tough. As you can see, I switched the metals down and the pairs up. so yeah, I get killed on silver. Tried longing it, I think. Where was it? Tried longing it after we logged off at like 9. Yeah, I got killed on it. So, but as you can see, general direction is up. Now it's kind of had a retracement a little bit, somewhat. Yeah, it's now a red candlestick. But NFP is coming up. So the thing with silver and gold right now is that there could be some big volatile movements that happen on it. So be careful. USD CAD. Kind of a nice little retracement. I did call this would happen. Did it hit 34? No, it didn't hit 34. Blew past my level though, and that happened during Asian session. Yeah, Asian session that happened. Euro USD, I had a short idea on it. It did play out eventually. I think it's gonna retrace. Same with pound USD. Yeah, pound USD was retracing since Asian session. Most of these did break lower during Asian session. I guess there was dollar strength or something. Dollar yesterday was very weird to trade. It was like higher high and then lower low. That was crazy. Pound CAD, yeah, pound CAD looks bearish right now too. So see how that goes. But other than that, I think NFP is in 11 minutes, so we will wait for that. But yeah, I think, sorry, I was just reading some stuff. But yeah, NFP is going to be the biggest key. Yeah, it's gonna be slow for the next 15 minutes. I wouldn't recommend anyone trading right now. Save your capital and then wait for the NFP to come out, and then we could plan out some trades from that. Yeah, literally nothing's happening, but I'm gonna leave gold on for NFP because NFP moves a lot with gold, moves a lot with NFP, so see how that goes. Get chat on this call. Give me 1 second. Share that screen. Yo, what up? What up? How you doing?
Oh man, I'm tired. It was so windy last night.
Hold
And
up. I gotta turn the music down a little bit. What'd you say?
I said I'm so tired. And it's so windy last night. And it just woke me up at like 3.
Oh, damn, eh?
Yeah, I had my patio doors open.
Oh, that's probably why I probably hear that shit coming through all the time.
Oh, dude, yeah.
So.
Dude. What? Yeah. You in the trade or what?
No, it's NFP, bro.
Yes.
No point. I mean, like, I looked across. Yeah,
It'd been
everything just.
nice short yesterday.
That happened
That's
during
great.
Asian, bro. That was so weird. Like,
Yeah.
8 o'clock, there was just a move. That never happens ever.
Yeah.
That's rare.
I was surprised last night when I saw it.
Yeah.
I was like, what are you doing? Oh, gold's down too. Nice.
But I think we're gonna have like a retracement coming up soon. We'll see. I'm not gonna chase it. Dude, I don't think I'm gonna trade gold and silver anymore. Tried it yesterday, it did not turn out good at all. It's just too volatile right now, right? So
Yeah. Do it up, Euro.
yeah, Euro, USD CAD, Pound USD, and Pound CAD. And I decided 10 pips 3 times a day.
3 times a day, yeah.
It's either a 10 pip loss or 10 pip gain, but I can almost like guarantee I could hit like 10 pips 3 times a day. Like yesterday, I hit 10 pips 3 times.
Yeah.
But you know what happened. So.
I know too well.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Tough day.
It was fun yesterday.
It was fun.
Last night before I went to sleep, I simulated.
Oh, the 1 minute.
Yeah, just once you're at like the 30-minute mark, I just on
1,
the
2,
keyboard
3.
just go 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 30.
It's actually, it's interesting. Like right now, we can't even trade anything because you can see like on all time frames,
Yeah.
it's a range, right?
Yeah.
There's no clear direction or anything, so there's no point in trading it. Even on 30 minutes, there's no clear direction. So.
Seven, 8. I mean, the thing is, I had to go those time frames when you're at the 30 minutes, like the 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, it's just, when it's a live market, you can do whatever you want. 11, 12, 13,
18.
14, 15. Yeah, it looks like I found support, but I mean, 7 minutes till doomsday. I have a feeling it's actually gonna be good.
NFP, yeah, I think there's some jobs gonna be come back, so I think NFP is actually gonna be good. The only reason gold went up is like unlimited stimulus. So.
Yeah.
We'll see how that goes.
Any plans today or what?
Just got pretty good sleep. I slept at like 9 yesterday. It felt good, man. I didn't take a nap. I was just on this testing the 10 pip strategy, over trading gold and silver, which wasn't a good idea, but it happens. But yeah, today I think I'll probably get the website done. Feel good. No need to nap, and then yeah, just chill, work out. Hopefully it stops raining. But we'll see. What about you?
Fuck. Oh yeah, soon. Gonna chill, study. Yeah. We're gonna come over. Just, I don't know, watch a movie, chill out. Dude, I'm just so tired right now.
Yeah,
I just hate waking up, man.
It's the worst, eh? Then you just get groggy in the morning.
Close the door, but I mean, it was so hot last night. It was like 21 degrees when I was going to sleep at 11.
Wait, what was that saying?
It's 21 degrees
when
I was going to sleep, so it's just like, no, I can't leave the door closed.
So yeah, you have to leave it open, otherwise it would just be too hot.
Yeah.
That's why wintertime is actually nice. It's easier sleep.
That's why You know, it'll never be too hot in my room. It'll never be.
Never be.
It'll never be too hot in the wintertime. It'll never be.
Yeah. Oh, in the wintertime.
Yeah, it'll never be too hot.
No, I mean it'll be the perfect temperature to go to sleep. Just a little bit chilly,
Yeah.
but it is what it is.
It is what it is.
How many more minutes? 4 more minutes till NFP. Let's get to gold on here. Gold's about to tank. What are they expecting?
It's dropped quite a bit from what it was previously to what is forecasted.
Oh, you have CAD news too. CAD's actually doing decent, yeah. Previous forecasted. Yeah, we'll see. USD CAD's gonna be volatile.
Let's trade it. Let's go. Alright. Get some water.
Alright.
I'll see.
Oh shit, gold's dropping. Interesting, interesting. We shall see how that goes. One more minute. Well, 30 seconds.
I'm gonna say unemployment rate is going to be at 9.8%.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom.
Fill the wick.
Boom. Fill the wick on what?
I'm looking at the 5 minute.
Oh.
Sure. On your USD.
Oh.
Fill the wick.
Ooh, look at that tank. Boom.
10.2%, so it's not even that crazy. How is yeah, gold drop?
Damn, bro, I heard that. Wow. No
Sorry, I should mute myself.
fucks given. Did you eat last night, man?
Dude, it's just the morning, man. It's just the morning.
Canada added 420 jobs. U.S. unemployment rate's pretty good.
How's
USD
USD
NFB. USD CAD, I mean, they're both good news, so it's kind of just contradicting itself right now. Dollar should
Damn.
be going up, so.
You got right. Okay, so where do we get this information? I didn't want to wait for Forex Factory to give it to me. Did I go on their website?
Forex Factory?
No, like if I want to get the US numbers, like news numbers, do I go on Forex Factory?
Yeah, and then it shows up.
No, I mean not Forex Factory. Sorry, like
Pretty sure there's other sites like Daily FX and other shit, but yeah.
so like the website themselves. Like, does the US have?
Oh, I don't know.
Uh,
I actually don't know. I'd short like pound CAD or something, but we'll see. That would have been the play. Short on pound CAD for that news. Yeah, good USD news, good CAD news. Makes USD CAD invalid to trade in my opinion, but I'm sure there's gonna be like a trade.
damn, look at that way.
On gold?
Oh no, on Euro USD.
Yep. Wait 5 minutes. That's probably gonna give the direction.
Damn. That's a 20 pip move.
Boom, this is why trading news is hard. Yeah,
Higher.
it's probably gonna rip now. Boom.
Damn.
Oh.
5 pips.
Damn, that was 10 pips on USD CAD, wasn't it? Might enter a short on USD CAD. Get 10 pips. So was it at 30? What's 20 at here? It's 15 minute. Yeah, I'm entering a short. Putting a limit at 30. Ooh, just got hit.
Nice.
Gonna get the 10 pips and I'm out. Gone at 30, yeah. Half position though.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. I got faked out. Should have waited for the closes.
It's all good.
Up the volatility. Damn, Euro went bearish again.
Yeah, I know. I'm just looking at Euro. It's like, yeah, never mind.
So wait, I'm actually gonna do pound CAD instead. I feel like CAD's strong and the pound USD is gonna drop. Because the US had pretty good news, right? Yeah, I switched it. Took like a quick loss on it, and then I'm gonna go pound CAD instead. So that's what I said earlier too. Broke below, get 10 pips, and then I'm good. We got it at 45. Yeah, that was a better switch.
Rest number one. Just sent you something.
On Instagram?
Yeah.
Wow. You should send that to Cecilia. I was kidding. That's funny. You unsent the message, bro? Damn.
I have my reasons.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Did you study a bit last night? How's the real estate course going?
Yeah, a little bit. Not too much. I was pretty tired. I was kind of working on trading mostly. I like the strategy. 10 pips, bro. 10 pips is all we need in this life. Maybe Raja was onto something when he was thinking 10 pips every day.
Yeah. Because I think with the 10 pips, you also incorporated the runners. Because honestly, like the runners is like.
Well, he said the runners. I remember watching one of his videos. He said runners and like overnight positions didn't really come until this year. Because last year when we first started watching the streams, he didn't really have runners going really hard or overnight positions. But this year he's starting to incorporate that after what, like three years of consistently getting 10 pips.
Yeah. But like, dude, they make a difference. Like from trading and like simulating, like And I don't even do 50-50. Like he does it like, yeah, he does it 50-50. I do it 20%.
Yeah, that's
But
true.
I don't know if that 20%, if you get like a 3 or a 4-to-1, is quite a bit. And if you aim for 10 pips, 3 or 4-to-1 is only 30 or 40 pips, which still happen.
Yeah,
Maybe not as often.
but it still
As,
happens.
yeah, as one person would like. But yeah. Now the thing is, obviously, if you're risking 10 pips, or if you're trying to get 10 pips, you're risking 10 pips as well.
Yeah, exactly. It's
So
usually a 10 for 10 type of thing. That's why he gets like the momentum, or like waits for the close and tries to get like momentum for 10 pips.
yeah.
So yeah, damn, Euro just went up.
Yeah, we're back up.
That's volatile right now.
Yeah. Looking at the 1 minute chart, it found support. Now it broke like crazy.
The 1 minute chart.
Yeah.
Ooh, damn, that's so volatile.
But yeah, if you look at the 1 minute chart, like it hit, was it 118.13?
Yeah.
3 times on the
Yeah,
1 minute
hey.
chart.
Just like
When
boom,
it
boom,
popped up.
boom.
Yeah. You
Interesting.
know, very interesting, I must say. Obviously, I did not do anything. I'm just watching.
Better to sit on the sidelines. I think it's way too noisy right now.
You in pound cat?
Nah, I got out at 50. I just wanted to test if it was going to go 10 pips with momentum, but it didn't. So I got out pretty much 5 pips on both on half positions. So.
Damn, Euro.
Damn, that is the trade, eh? Wow, it's going to go. It's gone.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it's gone. Well, I guess the US dollar is still weak.
Yep, nothing can save that dollar. Holy.
3 times, man. That was nice. And you could have only seen it on the 1 minute chart. Maybe 2 minutes. Let's see, 2. Look, holy smokes. 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah, once the 3 minute closed above everything else, it just shot up.
Yep. Now it's going to probably continue rising, eh? Fuck.
5 minute. Yeah, 10 minute. Wow, that's nice though. That's real nice. Honestly, yeah, even if you looked at the 1 minute chart, like as soon as it formed above 118.25,
Yeah.
that was just, yeah, that means the longs won
Yeah.
finally.
Because you have all this consolidation, but like the 1 minute forming here is like the confirmation of the move.
And then boom, shot up 10 pips, you're out.
Yep.
Actually got you 20 pips. Almost 20 pips. Damn, man.
Very interesting. The US dollar is done. We go into gold standard soon.
Yeah. Let's see how gold is. Wow, gold.
Yeah, gold ripped all the way, dude. I was watching it.
Woo!
But yo, that's insane. Like this wick down here, all the way here is almost 200 pips. That's fucked. That's actually fucked.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's been moving super volatile. I guess, I mean, trade 10, 20 cents on it.
Yeah.
30 cents. Dollar.
Actually, even
Dollar
less.
max. Well, I mean, honestly, it depends how much you're going to risk.
Dude.
I guess maybe we should do some forecasting.
Yeah, but
Like,
thing with
like
gold,
just,
dude, I think like even when you go $10-$20, you can like, well, 10
Well, I mean, if you know it's if you anticipate that volatility is gonna be like 200 pip moves either side,
yeah,
then if you're risking like $200, then it's just like $1.
that's true. That's true. But
I
wow.
mean, the worst thing that could happen is it does go $200 against you. I mean, then if it does do that, it could go 300 to 400 pips too. But I mean, at that point, it's like volatility wasn't really a factor.
No.
The entry points then.
That's insane though. It's actually insane.
Oh, should we short now?
On Euro.
1 minute. 1 minute. Market structure has broken.
No.
2.
I think it's better for the longs on Euro, to be honest. It's about, I think that was just a retracement, and now it's probably gonna pop up. Could you get 10 pips at this point? 50, 40 to 50. Yeah.
Month is still nice. Yeah, man. Yo, dude, since the month it ended up bullish, or actually no, we don't know yet. There's still 23 more days, but we will see. Because yo, this close bullish this month, I think its next target's like 125.
Yeah, that's for
on
next
the monthly.
month. Depends how this month closes. We're still at like this
still
level.
time,
119 seems to be holding pretty nicely on it. It's been like tapping into 119.
Yeah, that's true.
But we'll see though. We'll see.
Will today flip bullish? Five minute. 3 minute. 2.
I think it will. Well, no, not the day flip bullish, but I think like intraday you might get like a nice little bull move up. Taps back into this zone. Anything above this zone is gonna be like a buy though.
Like above 1850s?
Yeah, that'll be like pretty safe buys, I think. But we'll see. Who knows, man? Who the fuck knows? Gold's insane, man. Holy. 41 to 60. That's too crazy. That's too crazy. Even silver rips up $1.32. That's like, yeah, I don't know. That's too crazy. Euro.
Oh, man.
It's a Friday too, man. We could just see it like range for the rest of the day.
Oh, yeah.
Plus, it's weird though, because the U.S. data was good. So usually when the U.S. data is like better than expected. Maybe it's because it's worse than last month. Well, no.
No, it's better. They added more jobs than forecasted.
Yeah, than forecasted, but last month they almost added 5 million. Maybe last month.
It was negative though.
Last
It was
month? No, it was positive, bro.
48 million, 1.9. So from 2.4, 2.2, is that forecasted? No.
Wait, what are you talking about?
So the month prior,
June?
forecast actual.
No, June and July they added like almost 7 million jobs.
Yeah, so then June. Was it actual? No. Actual, yeah. June they added 2.5. July they added 4.8. No, they had 4.8. This month they had 1.9. I guess they recovered from that 20 mil.
Oh, look at the lower time frames on Euro.
That's broken.
It has broke its structure.
3, 4, 5.
What if that works for everything? Try it on silver and see if it actually does work. Damn, it actually does kind of work.
It's in the consolidating phase. Just trying to mess with the computer and put 0.
0 doesn't work.
0. No, it doesn't work for point. Can't point, yeah. Oh. What is the minute? 1 minute gonna do?
Ooh, it ripped back up.
Is it gonna form above the channel? If it forms above 118.46.
Are you gonna try it?
Oh no. No, I'm not. The move was at 637. This is just consolidating.
Yep. They're gonna call you the 1 minute man. I'm just kidding.
Okay, man. Call me what as long as it works, I'm fine.
As long as it works.
I just need to do more back testing than anything.
Yeah, actually, I think it's gonna come down to the back testing. I wonder, man. Just back test on 1 minute. Lumber?
I've invested in lumber. It doubled in price since April.
Did it actually?
From 300 to 641 right now.
Wow.
Let's see if it's all-time highs. Month chart. Damn, it's at all-time highs. Almost at all-time highs.
Wow.
I click on the monthly chart. That's wild.
Wow. Since April.
Yeah.
Power of investing, eh? Fuck, that's insane. That's actually insane.
Now, why am I looking at lumber? No idea. Probably for campfire wood.
Yeah, that's probably why.
It's be expensive. $2-minute. I don't know. 2-minute makes me feel like it's gonna go down more. 1 minute.
Yeah, it's kind of feel like just stop right there.
3 minutes. If 3-minute forms like this, then yeah. 6, 7. Ooh, 11 minutes. Nice.
11 minutes.
13, 14, 15.
We're back. I gotta just watch it real quick. Yo. Oh, damn. Euro broke down. Wow. The 1 minute structure.
The 1 minute structure broke, man.
So what if you shorted it after the 658 candlestick closed? That's only what? 4 pips? Never mind.
658. I mean, it's hard. Is this one like I was looking at 654? That 1 minute formed below the support.
654?
654 1 minute candle.
Formed below the support.
Yeah, the support's at 118.37 too.
Wait, what? Isn't that 654? 5.
650.
This is 654.
That's weird. Mine 654 is 650. I'm checking.
Check the are you on 2 minute chart?
Oh shit. Yeah.
Yes.
My bad. That's weird.
Yeah, okay, yeah, 654 2 minute. But even like at that point, I wouldn't have shorted until it broke like 130 or the 34 area. So maybe like if I had to sell stop at 34.
There's 2 minutes, yeah, it broke down and then it retested and broke down completely.
Yeah, that's true.
Or you could have sell stop at
34, even 33 if you had a sell stop, right? 34, I probably have it. 33.5. But can you get 10 pips off of it is a real question though, right? That's my thing. So can you get like 10 pips off that structure breaking, right?
Well, I mean, though, you probably don't. Well, you could. But it depends on how much you want to risk.
Yeah, true.
If you're trying to go for a quick one, like right now, like my price target probably would have been at 1830. Just because if you look at the 2 minute chart, the 634 candlestick, that wick, and also at 640, I would say that's like a support, imaginary support.
Kind of like here, yeah.
Yeah.
See if that works, because it is kind of respecting that area right now. And yeah, if you go all the way back here, could be that.
But I'm just like, so then how much would you risk for that trade?
Well, if you did have the sell stop here, then it would be what? That's 10 pips. 11, probably 11 pips.
Yeah.
And then I'd say you still need 10 pips to make it a good trade. But right now, I probably put the stop at break even. If you had the sell stop here, quick break even, and then, oh shit, is it gonna hit? Let me check. 34. Where's the Euro USD?
24.
Let's see if the ask is 23, then I think it's a good trade. It hit 24.5. I saw that number pop up.
I don't know if you'd go 50-50 since it's consolidate though. You wrap this trade.
It worked, bro. It worked.
Yeah.
It actually did work. It hit the ask at 23. So that worked. Right when it broke structure, have the sell right here. That's a quick 10 pip scalp right there. And even on this structure, oh, and it's going more, wow. And even on this structure break.
It's for me and stuff like, can you zoom in just a bit? Just a little bit. Yeah. Okay, just like you have one here, so it broke down here. You have a top here, I would say.
Yeah, that's a pretty well-defined range on the 2 minute.
Range, yeah. And then like since it's traffic, but you already know it's like it's showing, the markets have shown its hand with this candle forming below.
Yeah.
Maybe when this closed, you enter 50%. And then, well, since it went in the middle range, I don't know if you're gonna put a limit order or if you're gonna like manually punch it, whatever. Yeah, at 50 here, your stop would essentially be up here.
Yeah, so that's like 7 pips.
7 pips, right? And then Yeah, and then I would just play it for a 1-for-1 trade. Because
That's
like
true.
honestly, the thing with this is like I want to get out as soon as possible, like for a TP.
Yeah, that makes sense. For me, I think still this 2 minute actually does look pretty nice. Let me get back there. Yeah, that 2 minute does look nice. Forms below
Yeah,
that.
finally, yeah, broke down and formed below that support.
But it's
I
like
mean,
this though. Like this green one formed above resistance too, though. In a sense. Would you have longed it there? Because if you went back on the
no, I
replay
wouldn't because
mode,
originally when we talked about longing it, I said we would place a stop at 1846
oh yeah.
above the wicks.
But wouldn't it make sense to put the short below the wicks too? I'm just asking. Because at this point, this candlestick, if you like flip it upside down, looks like this candlestick. Well, actually,
That's,
there's no wick here, but it
I mean,
looks like
that's
that.
true. I mean, I think the reason why we were talking about shorts too is that like kind of like if we look at the 30-minute and stuff, if it was above 1850s,
Yeah.
it'd be a nice long hold. I mean, news was good today for the US. That's
It,
why maybe I'm looking more on the short side of
that,
things.
that's true too. Yeah, news was good.
And like, I don't know. I didn't like, it's nice that it went up so much, but like, I don't know. I just didn't.
Believe in it.
And the thing too is, I guess, like, yeah, in that sense, that it broke up, but let's see here.
Well, if you go to the 5 minute, I still think my shorts would be below the wicks, but that's
Yeah.
personal. I think like
And the one thing is too, if you look at the 1 minute,
yeah,
for me too now, like when you have like
you're
a
drawing.
uptrend or a downtrend, but then you have one candlestick that like I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. You have one candlestick like this that takes out like multiple levels. I'm gonna point it to this one right here. Hey, but you had like nice. You had this whole area right here.
Yeah,
And
true.
you know how many candlesticks there is, but you have one candle, one 1 minute candlestick to just wipe them all out.
Yeah, that's so true. 1 minute just wipes all that out.
And then yeah, and obviously since we're in consolidation, like, do you think I was gonna go like full? Probably not. Not on the first try. Probably
No.
50-50.
Yeah, I think 50-50 would have been good, but look at that breakdown after the breakup though.
30
Does a
pips.
3 minute have a good indication?
2 minute. I like 2 minute a lot more, man.
2 minute, yeah.
2 minutes just nice.
2 minute was
2 minute,
good.
3 minute. Yeah, and you will have never seen this on the higher time frames.
No,
Because
not
if
at
you look
all.
at 30 minute, just one green candlestick up and then one down right now.
Yeah, you couldn't even tell on the 30 minute.
Like
Even on the
50
50, yeah, you can tell that reversal was gonna happen on the 15, right? But like
no.
right when we saw it on the 1-2, it's like,
Yeah.
yo, that was gonna
Oh,
happen.
oh,
Oh god damn.
I mean, I should have put where my money was, mouth was,
Yeah.
where my mouth was at. That's insane. But I mean, my level would have been, yeah, that's insane.
I would have just got the 10 pips. This is like
Yeah,
what?
10 pips. I mean, this is the perfect situation for runners. Because, 30 pips, 3-1. Like, this is it.
That is it
Even for
right
me,
there.
20%, that's basically you made from a runner half of your core position, or 60% of your core position.
Basically, man, that's actually insane. That's insane.
But yeah, I think if I can get more consistent like Raja,
Yeah.
with kind of like being more correct on my trades, like, yeah, 50% makes so much sense.
It does.
Because if you're like, yeah, if you have a runner and stuff, and it's you, like, honestly, you can make, and he does do this quite a bit with his runners, just 2-3 times.
It does. Yeah, he usually holds it. But this is
20,
like the
30
perfect trade though, man. Even on the longs, I'd say. Like even
The
back
longs
here.
was good too on the 1 minute.
Yeah, like on the longs, it was nice because when it broke up and when you could see after all this
Yeah,
bullshit happened after news,
yeah,
this one at like 6:42, I'd say,
yeah,
when that started to break above the wicks, at 30, go 30 to 40, and hold a runner potentially.
Well, yeah, 641 was just bombed to just like it formed above.
Yeah.
And then like obviously like you have that triple bottom on the 1 minute chart between 635 to 637.
Yeah, you even said that. You're like, yo, bottom. But
Yeah, and then
I
boom.
think the safest longs would have been above the wicks. So at like
No, I
30,
agree.
if you long it at 30, you still get 10 pips. Excuse me.
That's you.
Nice.
Wow, that's just like with that's just it's crazy.
So
I don't
that's
know if you.
one
I
trade.
think I think at the 635 to 637, if you believed in that move at 638, right? You put a gauger and you put like a stop at like 1810.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? With the gauger, and then just see if it's gonna play out, and then you add like your full position for me anyways. Like if you're just trading solely on the 1 minute, there's the 1 minute and the 2 minute. They both form like 640 candlestick for the 2 minute, and then the 1 minute was 641, formed above the previous like
Yeah.
body. So then it's just like, okay then.
Oh, on this candle, yeah, 641. Actually, on that close, that would have been the good entry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly, that's actually a decent trade. Now that I'm thinking of it, if you just enter there, get the 10 pips, hold a runner, but now you
Yeah.
got this range, and now your runner's SL could literally be right here where you put a sell stop
Yeah.
or something like that. Or even if you see this
You'll keep
candle,
analyzing, yeah,
yeah.
and then boom.
And now look at this. This is where I probably get out of my runner.
Let's
Like
see
if you
what.
held the runner on the shorts, let's say you shorted somewhere up in this range,
Yeah.
get your 10 pips, held a runner right at
Yeah.
this area at like 118 after this formation. That was a 2 minute look. Yeah, probably just get out of that now. Kind of hits like support.
I mean, yeah, this runner's paying you 3 to 1. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
it is 3 to 1. So like the runner 05. Yeah, basically. It probably, yeah, it is 3 to 1 on the runner. That's
Yeah.
insane. And I do feel like it'll go down, especially after now you look at the 15 and the 30 though. The 15 and the 30 form below.
Right. Yeah.
So I would give you more confidence, I think, to hold it.
To hold it, yeah, exactly.
Or even
And
if
then,
you got like 50% out of your runner, then you kind of like.
yeah, and then honestly though, like runners are meant to hit TPs or just freaking hit stop losses.
Yeah, exactly. Honestly, at this point, maybe even get like 50% out of the runner. You're like, oh shit, it's reversing a little bit.
Yeah.
And then just based off
Yeah,
like.
if you look at the 1 minute. Because the 1 minute now, if you look at the 1 minute, it's like it's had 4 minutes. It's broken the previous bearish candlestick.
Yeah, exactly. So that's
But
kind
it's
of.
also at the 630s kind of support level. I turned resistance.
So that could
Yeah.
just be a retest. Yo, I think at this point though, like hypothetically, if you had a runner going, just based off like higher time frames, like the 30 minute, the 1 hour, and the 15, you could probably put your stop, like get 50% out, put your stop at break even, and just like let it go, right? So
Like yeah, for 15, yeah, get 50% off right now, and then put like a stop 10, 18, 16. So kind of like
here,
that mini resistance area.
Yeah, I see that.
And then and if it breaks past it, then whatever, man. Who cares? You're still a winner.
Yo, I actually like this.
Yeah, because I'm just thinking how we could like. I wouldn't trade exactly on the news, but waiting on kind of people to digest the information first.
Yeah.
But yeah, like it's crazy because I'm just keep looking at the 641 area. If you look 1, 2, and 3, they all give you indications of forming above. 1, 2, 3. How about 4? No, 4 is not good. But 1, 2, and 3 both all say the same thing that you should buy.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, where?
Sorry, so let's just see. If you just keep looking at kind of like the 630, no, is it? No, 18. What level is that? Oops, 1 minute. around the 641 time frame, and it's at 118.26 area. If you go a 1 minute chart, yeah, it formed above. 2 minute chart, same thing at 640 candlestick, formed above the previous body. 3 minute, same thing, formed above.
So at that point, take a long.
At 639, yeah. Like at the close of that, like I think the final, like, final time frame to give you that confidence, right, would be at the 3 minute close. Because a 639 candlestick will have meant that it closed at 642, which kind of coincides with the 2 and the 1 minute. And that honestly is the launch pad for Euro anyways, even on the 3 minute. And boom. Wow, there we go. Runners.
Runners keep running, man. Dude, I wonder if it works for like ranging market, because this is like trending market where 10 pips are and like a lot of volume on it. But like, hold on, let me just show you. So remember back here, back in like June when it was doing this stuff?
Yeah.
What was its range? Give me a sec. So the range on like a daily candle was like 60 pips. What about this tiny one? 30 pips there. I'm gonna replay back here real quick. Let's go to 30 minute. 6 o'clock. Yeah, I guess 6 o'clock. You get that. Move up.
How many pips is that move?
This move is 60 pips. So
Oh,
I guess
yeah.
it does move there. On this move, you have 20 pips and then 30 pips. Back here, you have, I don't know, I probably long it here potentially. Oh shit, I can't see.
Damn.
10 pips, 7 pips.
Hey.
Oh, it's going. Hey, wow. Peace, Euro. Peace.
Wow. Just wow. Let's see. Look at the 1 minute chart. Instead, yeah. Let's just see if we could spot something from that move.
Yeah, the thing is, this is kind of weird now. This is like a big green candle, big red candle. Is that even 10 pips? No, I didn't even.
Well, I mean, we look at the higher time frames first. Like, so is it news though?
What was this date? 6:30. Oh yeah, July 2nd, 6:30. Let me check.
July 2nd.
It's a good idea. I think that is news. That might be NFP date.
July 2nd.
Yeah, that was NFP date.
Yeah.
Yeah, never mind. That's NFP date.
No, but that's fine. See, like the thing
Same
is, yeah,
thing happened, eh?
but the thing is, like, we wouldn't enter here. But like, think about this: the 1 minute formed here, just right below.
Yeah, or even up here, like you said, it kind of hits resistance and then goes.
Yeah, it hits resistance, and then like, I mean, this move is not as nice as what happened today.
No, I think this one's more
Just scroll
choppy.
through quick.
2 minutes tough. Like at 6:32 and 6:34, it did form above.
But I mean,
area. And it's
true.
So
but this will move 10 pips, and the reason why I say this is here. Like, if let's just say you didn't believe in the move, stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
Like, okay, breaks down here from this level and does a retest. I think that's 10 pips. From here to the bottom of the green candlestick, I don't know how much is that.
Yeah, 10 pips. Yeah, I think post news is tough, but I think the real direction comes after. Like even right
Yeah.
now, the real direction came after.
Yeah.
Like this arrow here, I think that's the better move,
Yeah.
to be honest, than this news play. Like
And what
wait,
time is that?
oops, sorry.
6:48. I mean, yeah, look at what time it is right now. Because this move, we had the long move at 6:40, so 10 minutes after, but then at 7, so half an hour for people to digest.
Yeah,
Boom.
interesting.
You had the true move of 60 pips. Oh, no. Yeah, 60 pips. From 1840s all the way down to 1880s.
Yeah, exactly.
17.
So that's interesting.
Dude,
Same
yeah, 60
thing.
pips, bro. Imagine 50% of that. Like, that's 3 times your core. If you went 50-50, 50% runner. And it's just such an easy trade. Even on the 5 minute, you would just put it at like above the previous candlestick. This market structure hasn't even been close to broken at all
No, it hasn't.
since 7 o'clock.
Are you talking about the one right now?
Oh yeah, sorry, I'm talking about the one right now. Yeah. But then let's actually just stay here. Let's talk about this
Well,
one
I'm just
actually.
analyzing because this was news. I didn't see that, but when you go like 30-minute,
Yeah.
like right here, yeah, I guess you wouldn't enter on news. You probably wait for the news to
No,
fall.
I hate trading news.
Yeah, you can't really trade news, but I
And
still
plus, it makes
think,
sense to wait for people to digest it. Because those people
yeah,
that are digesting it are the ones that are going to move the markets.
that is true. Yeah, you wouldn't trade the news. I think the next 15-minute candle, or when you go to the 1 minute,
But this 15-minute candlestick's great because it basically did the reversal. You
yeah,
found support here, and then you finally, where would the 15-minute have been? 15-minute would have been around here.
whoops,
So that
sorry,
means,
I'll just get the time frames right on it.
no, like you were
Six,
right there. I just wanted to do analysis of how this 15-minute candlestick, the bullish candlestick, right?
yeah.
It surpassed the previous bearishest candlestick and formed above. So typically speaking, you think that'd be a reversal, and then we would confirm that on the 1 minute or the 2 minute chart.
Oh, you get out lower. I was looking at that on the 1 minute. You get out lower. I think right at this point, right when you see double bottom and like that. For like
Yeah.
this
No,
is
oh,
first
sorry. I
indication.
meant if you did short, like,
Oh,
if you're looking for long, like, how would we long this then?
oh, how would you long it?
Yeah.
That's tough. Let's
Because it
see. Does
broke
it?
down, but like, yeah, it didn't, like, it like, look at this. The thing is, like, with what's happening today, the 15-minute candles or time frame did not break market structure. This already did.
No, yeah, this one did. This one did 100%. Yeah, there it goes. If you wanted a long on lower time frames, I think we got to use the higher time frames as the levels, and then we use the lower time frames to like actually execute, right? Because
Yeah.
at this point, you look at this level down here, so you could just draw a big zone it tapped into.
Yeah. And then you see the double bottom, boom.
Yeah, and then you see like then you go down lower, like on the 1 minute double bottom taps into here. Even
Here,
if you
yeah. And
longed it,
then, yeah, that's nice.
what does a 2 minute look like?
Because, yeah, and there's that liquidity grab. Even on the 1 minute, it's insane.
Yeah, that's so
Because
true. This 1 minute liquidity grab, right?
yeah, this one, like, you first have a bottom, then you have a second bottom, plus a liquidity grab, taps on the zone that you just drew on the higher time frames, right? Then yeah, man, just long it and see if it's gonna break that. How much was that liquidity grab on the 1 minute? Like, how thick of a
I don't think it was that big. I think it was just like, yeah, 4 pips.
5 pip? Yeah, and then
4 or 5
just
pips.
10 pips. You would have gone 10 pips right on this trade.
That's true. I think I would have longed it over. I don't. This is tough to maybe on this candlestick, the 716 candlestick.
Yeah,
That could have been a good indication. What is that on the 1 minute? 716. Yeah, 717. Yeah, you're right. Right here, the double bottom bullish flip. Because you didn't see that right now.
no,
But even if you entered on that candlestick, your stop is gonna be what is that? Maybe go to the wick, 10 pips,
yeah,
7 pips. No, you're still not. 1 for 1. I guess on that you are. Interesting.
yeah. You have to wait. And
That's
then
tough.
now it's kind of like, now you're kind of at the zone where it's like I think, and it's great that you're talking about gauges. I think if we're gonna do this style of like smaller time frames and stuff, like you'll have to throw a lot more gauges out.
Oh, 100%. You got to throw out a
At the
lot of
bare
gauger.
minimum, it has to be at least a 50-50.
For a gauger, yeah, it has to be 50-50. I think with the first 50, you could actually be pretty savage with your entries. Like
Yeah,
you see this 1 minute starting with bullish. You could
yeah,
be like, oh fuck, okay, I'll enter at 50% at like what is that, 57 or something.
yeah.
Have a stop of that shit was in the way. 6 pips. So if you have a stop of 6 pips,
Like,
and then you could have another entry somewhere around here or something. Yeah, I don't
yeah.
know.
I think the liquidity grab was like nice, and then you just like, and then the next candlestick kind of forms something of like the top that you want to see. So then, like at that point, would you put like a buy stop kind of like at this area?
Yeah, I think buy stop here. You gotta be quick because it is. Whoops, sorry. It is a
Okay.
1 minute. So I think
Yeah,
yeah, you see the liquidity grab, maybe taps into the zone. But when you see the double bottom and reversal, because now when you compare it to today, like remember this,
yeah,
you compare it to today on the same
yeah,
1 minute, and we see this, but it didn't form a bullish candle. Like if for example, if we go back here, right? So this is basically the same thing almost, liquidity grab,
yeah,
but in that example from before, it was a bullish candle, right?
yeah,
But on this example, it's bearish. So I
yeah.
think on that bullish candle, that's a good indication right there.
And plus too, yeah, you see this too. You had like the support formed right here, like a nice defined like buy support.
Yeah.
All right. Oops, that's not good. Let me just redo that. Like here, that's a body, but then it formed below, and
Yeah.
then like the wick was lower than your previous bearish candlestick on the rebound. So then, boom, next candlestick, a drop of 10 pips almost, just in one candlestick.
Yep.
And right now it's 70 pips from the top. Like, it's insane, man. It's insane what you can see. Like, yeah, like honestly, it feels like the analogy of like on like higher time frames is essentially the image and like the outline. Like, what is it? Like, you know when you do a puzzle, like the outer rim, is that called like the frame?
Yeah, it's the frame. And then you go
It's
inner right.
honestly making the image in the frame. But then like everything, the pixels and the puzzles itself is dissected to the minute, two
That's
minute,
so
three
true.
minute, 5 minute. Like, yeah,
Cause
there's
yo,
all
if
this shit you would never be able to see.
no, like after this 30-minute close, you wouldn't have been able to see this reversal unless you went to like the 1 minute.
And then at that point, like when the 30-minute closed, are you gonna enter now? Like it's like a dude, you just missed a 70 pip move.
On the 30-minute,
Yeah,
like long or short?
sure.
Short. You wouldn't have entered it on the, if you were basing it off the 30-minute close, you would not have entered a short here.
No, exactly. And then like no, I'm just saying like, how about now? Would you
Oh,
enter
now
like 30
no,
minutes
no,
is a
no, not
strong
now.
candlestick, but now like if you look at higher time frames, we've kind of entered a channel all dating back to the beginning of August.
Yeah,
And
no, now you probably would have entered. I think if you were entering on higher time frames, you have to enter on the break below the wick or something.
yeah,
Or
exactly.
the body.
But then 10 minutes, man, like you have seen clear indication.
Dude,
Like
even like
on
yeah, 5 minute you see clear indication too.
boom, boom, boom.
Right when this breaks, yeah,
Yeah.
that's a good indication. First target is like 10 pips, and then you get your 1 minute support. That formed at like
Yeah.
118, get out like 50%. Let me exit replay mode. What am I doing? Yeah, and look, it just like slowly and slowly. So like every time it has these greens, maybe get out like 50% on the 1 minute or something.
Yeah.
50% out, 50% out. And then now,
I mean, at this point, like,
now
you're,
it's just like whatever, right? You have like,
yeah, at some point, just like, you've already made whatever. It's just like, if this reversed all the way back, like, your runner's already pretty small
yeah,
because
exactly.
you've already halved it so many times.
couple times at least. Based
Yeah.
off. How's a 2-minute look? Yeah,
I
just
mean, I
based.
think if you went 50-50, right? If your runner was 50% and halving it, like, yeah, you should have to half it more often. And then if your like runners are smaller percentage and your core is bigger, then obviously you should let the runner like less. You know
That
what I'm
is
trying to.
so true. I
It
do
should
know.
just work out the same. But yeah, like this is kind of like a Raja. Like if he got in on the short, like his runner, and yo, I've seen his runners. Some like his best days are when freaking pound Jap runs 70-80 pips.
Oh yeah, those are his like good days. Really good
Yeah,
days.
and it only took half an hour.
I know. And this one took half an hour too.
Exactly.
No, that's good though. I like how we're analyzing. I like this strat. I'm not gonna trade gold and silver anymore.
Yeah, and honestly, if you're gonna do this strat, man, like you can only look at this because every second counts.
Yeah, so I think it's just gonna be euro.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just analyzing. Like, that's crazy. Like, honestly, fucking insane. 120, 360, 180. That's insane. Can't believe we had one of the biggest moves of the week on a Friday.
Yeah, actually, that was a nice move though. But just looking at it, you get a long and a short on it too, which is nice on this move.
Yeah.
So you get your long 10 pips, you get your short 10
And
pips.
yeah.
Now is when I'd probably exit the full position.
Yeah, I think so too.
I think for the runner, anytime it's 2 green 2-minute candlesticks, I might just think about exiting.
But you should let the runners run though.
Yeah, that's true. Well, I mean, like
Because
50%.
it's like because yo, honestly, I would have never thought I would have thought this would have stalled around 1800.
Yeah, I would like over here. I thought so too.
Because yeah, if you look at the 2-minute, there's your 2-minute candles, 2 consecutive ones, but you just never know.
That's why you get 50% out, leave 50% going.
Yeah, you keep slowly taking profits from your runner and stuff, and then honestly, you let it hit your stop loss. Like I think we have to force ourselves to let it, because there are gonna be days where it keeps hitting our stop loss, and we think, what's the point of the runner?
Yeah.
Because think about it, if we are wrong on our trade, we take the full loss.
I think that would have happened on this long. Let's say we did enter at like 641, 642 area.
Yeah.
And we had a runner. Literally, the runner's stop would have been here. If we had, how much time is that? So let's say we saw this shit and maybe around here we started analyzing. We have literally 7 minutes to analyze, 5 minutes even. So we gotta be like quick on the analysis.
And we just have to be watching the whole time.
Yeah, basically just watching the whole time.
I mean, the worst thing is, man, like if anything, like let's just say we still believed in the long for some reason, right? But we're getting indication that hey, it might actually reverse, right?
Yeah.
Like, you know what, man? Fuck it. Like,
fuck it.
And what I mean by fuck the runner is as soon as you take out your core position, you're gonna break even the runner. It doesn't matter. You're never gonna change the runner to be below your break even point.
No, definitely not ever.
So then we if we're so fixated on the charts and stuff and we're planning the next move, right? Fuck man, let the runner get hit.
I agree.
But like that shouldn't take away from your next trade though.
No, that's where the continuous and analyzing should come in, right? Well, even yesterday, if we were like continually analyzing, let me go back all the way. I might go 30 minutes back. So remember that trade yesterday where was it? Right here. If we continually analyzed it, so August 7th, no, I gotta go all the way back. Give me a sec on the 1 minute. This might take a little bit. But I think you know what I'm referring to.
Yeah,
And it went up and it went down. Or like when we were in longs too. 10 pips in a runner. So holy fuck, are we there yet? Another few seconds, almost there. There we go.
That's
8:15. No. Okay, yeah, let's go all the way to 6 o'clock. Review this trade. So we were in a long earlier at like the 6:20 mark, right? And it did rip up our way 17 pips. Okay. So at this point, you get your 10 pips or whatever you need. The 10 pips would have been in here. And then if you continually analyze it, maybe you would have got the short when it broke over here. Who knows? That went 10 pips too.
Yeah.
And then
I mean, yeah, the 6:30 movement was way nicer.
Yeah, 6:30.
Like,
Oh,
sorry, 7:30, around.
Oh,
7:30.
yeah, that.
Like, that's like, and that's the one thing I realized too, because this exactly happened to me. Sorry, we'll go back to this. I just want to just quick tidbit here. Happened when I was simulating last night. Because at 6:30, it went my way 5 pips, but it hit a resistance. But then I just stopped and said, okay, I'll just watch, and then it dropped 60 pips. So that's the thing is, yeah, we have 2-3 trades a day. I mean, what are you thinking though? Is it gonna be 2-3 trades?
I'm gonna do 3 trades max, 10 pips. So I want the 10 pips and then a runner.
Yeah.
And then maybe up to this would have been, I had 3 trades on this already on the short too. But remember, we were long over here. We got 10. We were up 10 pips. We were up 10 pips.
But I was the thing is, we were up 10 pips, but
we didn't take it.
I mean, for me, anyways, I was risking 15. So I was just
who cares though? You're risking 15, but we were up 10. And even Roger says sometimes these are 0.7, 0.8 to 1. But that's because he knows you can get 10 pips on the trade, right?
Yeah.
This second short, I probably wouldn't have gone this short, but I remember I was on this long. I was like, yo, I'm going long. And then, I think I went long at 7. I didn't go long based off 1 minute, but the 15. But either way, that's 18 pips. So even get the 10 pip out right here, leave the runner. And then right when runner broke structure here, to continue analyzing, you'd be like, yo. You
see
we
have support there at the top there?
Yeah, you have this area. Let me you'll clear your drawings real quick. Remember I was showing you this area?
Yeah.
So we were at that area, so kind of stalled there.
So yeah, if we look at higher time frames, you would have seen that.
Yeah, you would have seen that area stall. But at this same point, if I really should have got him out along at 10 pips and then left the runner. The runner's stop would have been there. Continuous analyzing. Even if you miss the short opportunity at the top, you get the short over here, but you have to scroll through the time frames, right?
But the thing is that you're never gonna get the tops.
No, 100% not.
There's no point. You want to see that 1 minute forms so nice. That what candlestick is?
Can I go 2 minute? Should I go 2 minute?
Yeah, go 2 minute. Yeah.
Oh, I knew.
Oh wow. That's all good.
Scroll
Just
back.
Go back.
I'm not on replay mode. That's probably why. Yeah, right here. Hey?
Yeah, the 2 minute, man. When it formed right below even the green candlestick's wick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the point to exit in my even if you don't exit up here, whatever, fuck it, you exit right here.
Yeah.
I have my long from down here.
Yeah.
That's still good on a runner. That is what 11 pips on a runner. That's still pretty good. That's a 1-1. And then you keep looking and you look at this.
That's actually so nice. And then market structure all the way.
Yeah.
It actually on the 2 minute didn't break market structure once.
No, not at all.
And then you have done how many pips? Yeah, 30 pip or no, 20-ish pip, 30 pip drop.
Yeah. If you've shorted up here and you're like, oh fuck, time to short, you're like, okay, you got your 10 pips, and then look at that extra right there. But this long right here, I think this is the best long. Remember how we were looking and we're like, yo, we exited that short up here?
Yeah.
But if we kept analyzing and actually have that, remember trading psychology is the best traders keep analyzing of what scenarios could happen. That's basically it. Because I was fucking around going 1, 2, 3 minute, and I was like, yo, time to get out. And then right when it was time to get out, look what happened.
Yeah. And we were talking about this, all we had to wait was this candlestick to form. It was okay, We
Yeah.
got like before that, thank goodness, at 31 if I remember.
Yeah, I
Roughly
think
around.
right when this candlestick was forming, I got out at 30.
Yeah. And we were saying it's gonna enter back into the range.
Yeah, and it did.
It did. It
So
did all the way to 90.
even if you got that like here to here is like 10 pips,
Yeah.
and then you left a runner going. Runner, I
Yeah.
think would have been stopped out. But what time is this? Oh, that's
But no,
not.
the thing is, this
Yeah,
is 1 minute. Like, I mean, 2 minute chart. You would have just probably just left it at break even for the runner.
yeah, that's true. You could have left it at break even.
Because okay, if you entered kind of where my arrow is at until that top point, it was at 20. Was it 20 pips?
Yeah,
Okay, yeah. Well, if it's 20 pips, you would have probably gone like half of your runner out and then just left it.
yeah. I
See,
think.
these are things that we have like because if we just go like,
Yo, the thing
I
is,
think
I
this
think
is like,
we both gotta focus on it. I think when we both focus on it, it'll be a lot more.
yeah, because honestly, yeah, I can't predict the market. I would have never thought it was gonna rip up like here. Like that was just a crazy rip.
That was an insane rip.
Like this rip, and that's what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Okay, so 14 minutes. Because you're on the 2 minute chart, right?
Yeah, 14 minutes. That was at. I would have been done trading. That was at 10 o'clock. But that's
Yeah,
a
no, I
runner
mean
though.
for
Yeah.
sure. But I mean that's the thing. It's runners are meant to either hit your stop losses at break even or see if it's gonna go. And at this point, you would have gone out your half of your runner when it was 20 to 20 pips because
Yeah.
that would be 2 for 1.
That's so true.
Because then
So then you only have like 25% left at this
Yeah.
point. Yeah, and then you put break even, and then
go to sleep, take a nap, and then just see, right?
That's a good point. I like that.
The only thing I like about stocks that Forex is not good at, right, is that it'd been sick if you could just break it down like you could do with stocks with shares.
Yeah, that would be nice.
30 pips, you take 10, you take, a certain amount, especially if you're not by the computer at this point. And then 40 pips, you take like, I don't know, whatever. Just think, like with stocks, I could actually make a bracket.
Make a bracket.
Like add a bracket for take profits and stop losses, and then you can also for your stop losses you can add a trailing.
That's so true, actually.
And that's it, man. And yeah, it went up all the way at 95. Oh, what's Euro saying? Let's see, 5 minute.
Yeah, man, I think I'm done with gold and silver for now. It's too insane. I think, yeah, this if we both focus on euro, I think it'll be very lucrative. It'll be good for us.
Yeah, 10 pips, man. And like, yo, like
It's
right now,
sick.
like foreign exchange is amazing because there's so much volatility, there's so much pumping of the money.
Yeah.
Flood of supply. And flood of supply is not like, yeah, it introduces maybe a direction of where the currency is going to go, but everything's relative to each other.
It is relative to each other.
Right? So it's just like, it's so nice. Like, yo, like, this could go down more now. If the one, wow. Yeah, the 1 minute just formed below everything.
Ooh,
on
yeah.
The euro right now.
I'm on 2 minute, but yeah, it's still.
Yeah, 2 minute just formed too, yeah. Is it gonna go down lower? Like this is a 100 pip trade. I have a feeling it might be 100 to 90 pip trade.
Is it from the top? 45? Yeah, I think it might be if you go.
It could. Yeah, I mean, I'm not 100% sure, but I mean, at this point, it doesn't.
Well, if you look at the hour, yeah, it probably won't be.
Like, yeah, the hour is wild, man.
Yeah, now the hour could easily go fucking like 50 more pips.
Yeah.
It's interesting. Damn, gold tank too. I was just looking at the price, but can't be trading that no more. Pound USD. Yeah, I think it'll just be euro, bro. I think euro USD.
Just because it requires like all this analyzing of different time frames, like yeah, you don't have time to look at anything else.
No, it requires both our heads too.
Yeah. Just to keep analyzing, talking to each other, pros and cons. Like it's basically making a pros and cons list every freaking minute.
Yeah, and like Raja said, you just focus on one pair, right?
And dude, we chose the one with the smallest spread. and the highest liquidity.
Yeah, so it's gonna be pretty nice, I'd say.
Yeah.
Right now, I'd probably exit my run-in, to be honest, at this 1770. Well, I mean, the hour looks good, but you could always re-enter, right? When the next hour open.
Yeah.
Actually, let's try it. Put my money where the mouth is. Okay, let's say I exited the runner.
You're long it?
No, I'm not gonna long it. I'm gonna wait and see if there's like a pullback. Let's see if there's a pullback on the 1 hour and the lower time frames, and then
Yeah.
short it on the way down, something like that.
Put it up.
Just
I think,
testing.
yeah, on that, you would have to, like, let's just go 1 minute right now.
Well, the 1 minute slowed down quite a bit. That's the
I think,
reason why.
no, I totally agree. I think what you're looking for on the, like, let's just say I'm going to use, like, the bull,
Yeah.
like, the bearish movement for the long side. Like, you essentially wait for it like this. It's trying to make a lower low.
Mm-hmm.
Because you're trying to long this, right? Or you're trying to short it?
No, I'm gonna try shorting it on the next hour open.
Yeah, okay then. Yeah, exactly. You just need, even on the 1 minute or 2 minute candlestick, you just wait for it to like go up a bit, and then you have that one bearish candlestick that knocks down like kind of like the levels of those previous candlesticks.
Yeah.
Because yeah, if you look at the first drop at like around 7:15 area, when it first started to go up a bit on the 1 minute.
Oops, sorry. Give me 1 second. I was on the wrong screen. Yeah,
like,
where was it?
Like the first initial pull up.
Here?
Right there, yeah. Like you have that 1 minute candlestick that just wiped out how many? Like 3 body candlesticks.
Yeah.
On the previous one, and then yeah, if you want to be safer, then you wait for the next minute, which then formed below all bullish candlesticks. And at that point, you're like, okay, then it looks like it could drop out some more, and you're just going with the trend.
Yeah, you are at that point. I think
Yeah,
that's when it broke the wicks. You could have another short here.
Yeah. Again, yeah, do it again. Boom. 2. Yeah, the 2 minute. Is it exhausted?
I think so. That's why I said I want to wait for like a pullback. Maybe you could get a long on the pullback. There's still 10 minutes till the hour close though, so I think wait a bit. But
no, I'm not. Yeah, 30 minute. Yeah.
I think at this point, if I had that short, I'd be out of my runner. It's 1770.
1770. Yeah. Honestly, for me, I wait for it to hit something.
Hit something? Fair enough.
Just because at this point you probably would have been taking profits. Like now you're probably only 10% of your position.
Yeah, I mean, like we said, the 118, probably 50%. This area, probably 50%. And then, yeah, you have what, 50 to 25, so 12 and a half.
From the second 50%, you still, how much did it drop from there? It still dropped another 20 pips.
Yeah.
So, I mean, frick, I don't know how much runners can go. That's the thing, man. If you're telling me honestly where I would have taken my full position if I didn't have any runners out, it would have been no less than 1810 area. I would have been completely out.
Yeah, if you didn't have a runner.
Yeah, if I didn't have a runner, I would have been completely
Nah,
out.
I think the runner, you're right, though. We got to have that runner. I'm going to add that to my spreadsheet.
Oh, computer is dying. Charge, man. Frick.
Ooh, there it goes. Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, because if you look at the 10-minute mark, like structure, did not break at all.
No, not at all.
It felt like it's consolidating, and then now it's going to be pushing down further. And I honestly think this could be 100 pip move. And the 10-minute looks so nice, man. Like, so nice. Wow. But then if you see a bullish candlestick on the 10-minute, let's just say it forms above to like 1772 or maybe 1775, like, yeah, I think the move's done at that point. So US is making a comeback on all currencies, eh? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's the reason why it's going up a bit.
I'm so fixated on this stuff. I didn't even look at the markets, man.
Yeah, it's almost 8 o'clock. Wow.
Yeah, it's just like I don't even have Quest Trade on. Like that's crazy. But yeah, it just takes so much time. You just lose track of time, man. Like it's insane. I think this is probably the funnest time I've had just like sitting on the sidelines.
Yeah.
just analyzing, right? I mean, the thing is, this weekend I'm definitely gonna do a lot. Like it for one trade, it took me like 20 minutes to get through, which is insane. By myself, just on the computer. I want to do a second trade, but like, yeah, it's insane, man. Frick. By the way, you know the place we were telling you about the wings, the chicken wings, the Vietnamese contemporary.
Yeah.
So we had that on Wednesday. Dude, we had 5 spice, butter, garlic, and so it's like lime, chili, nuoc mam, and nuoc mam means a fish sauce, right?
Yeah.
Dude, the best wings ever, man. And it's I think it's 20% customer appreciation.
Oh, that's pretty sick.
Yeah, so if you want to try those wings, man, I definitely say order them for pickup.
Order them for pickup. Okay, Vietnamese
Yeah,
contemporary.
Yeah, for 30 wings plus fried rice is about, and then with the discount is about like $39.
Yeah.
But like the wings are like, oh dude,
They're bomb.
they're bomb, like the best.
I think next time we get takeout, we'll do that.
Yeah. When's their special? So. Yeah, 20% off. So nice, man. So it's from the 4th to the 16th, actually. 4th to the 16th, yeah. Definitely go one more time. Make it 3 times in a row. America. I just hold gold. I hope gold pulls back to like 2000, man. Honestly.
Dude, I hope it goes to like 1800. Get like a good 5% or something. Like it's so high right now.
Do you think it's gonna go to 1800?
I think it should go lower
1800. Wow.
in like a few months because I think it's parabolic right now. And usually when you see this new type of high, it always retests. And that's just because there's a lot of computers trading it. Like you look at smart money and like institutions and countries, they wouldn't want to buy gold at these prices right now. Like I think whoever's buying gold right now is like the average retail investor or something. But
don't you think that they all kind of entered around? Well, I mean, everything's going up, and everyone's blaming Robinhood for it.
yeah, everyone's blaming Robinhood.
But
that's
like
an average
June
retail
1st
investor.
to December 1st, 2019, like that was a huge consolidation phase.
Yeah, I know that part.
On a monthly.
Monthly. Let me get there. Sorry. June. What?
I mean, yeah, around there to June.
Yeah, it was. But you look at this March liquidity graph. But even if you go back here, right?
March was COVID though.
That's true. But you got to use comparables. When was the last recession in '08? Yeah, this
Yeah.
huge move up. But look how every time there was a move up, you get like this big pullback and this big pullback, $100 relative to price. This was 1,500 relative to price. This is still $100, and that was like what 1,550.
And how about the highs there? Like that the last bullish
Oh, that one.
candle.
I'm a hold on. I'm gonna look at this one too. The December. Yeah, this one right after the recession, that was 150 relative to price. And this one right at the top, that was about 400 relative to price too. So I
And
think we're
then it
gonna
made
see that
triple bottom.
eventually.
But that was such a nice short after.
Oh, it was 100%. That's sick though.
Damn. Oh man, triple options for Kodak. Screw Kodak. Yeah, you heard me. Screw Kodak.
Screw Kodak, hey?
Yeah. Buying up, dude, it's insane. I'm just looking at just like the options that expired this today.
Yeah.
So it went up to $50. Like right now, if you bought, actually, let's see. Let's just say if I bought a 1 month option, so that would be September 4th. If you bought one, it'd be about $355 for a put contract, right? So I'm assuming when it was at $50 and stuff, it's relatively about the same for a 1 month contract.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But like now, if you look at the ones that are expiring today, like if it was the ones that were at $50 is now $35.
Damn.
Put. So you would have essentially made fucking 10 times.
Profited fat off that.
Oh, for sure. And like, what's the worst thing that could happen, right? Like you lose $300 if the market's like if Kodak gapped up to $100. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But yeah. Oh, do we have a reversal? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 minute. No, not yet. 3 minutes, 4 minutes. What price is that? I think I'm more comfortable to see the price form above 1780 before like thinking about if I was gonna. Yeah, if I was thinking it, but I don't think
I'd look for shorts still, to be honest, just considering how this hour closed. Yeah, okay, let's look. Might as well since the hour closed. Say 1 minute, 2 minute. You're looking for 10 pips right now on the reversal. Yeah. Okay, so what's it at? 72. I'm gonna check my block bull. Maybe I'll do like a half position just to like gauge it and test this whole theory out that we got going.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want a bullish candlestick and I want it above. So 75, I put a buy stop. I'm gonna say right now, 75, I'll put a buy stop. If I'm looking for a reversal overall, I am bearish, but let's say 75 to 85. I wouldn't hold a runner on this. Maybe I would actually, because then runner would be great. Yeah, maybe hold a runner.
Yeah.
But I am looking for shorts too up here. And I think that's a good thing with Black Bull is maybe you could like have the runner and then maybe enter the short.
You just have multiple positions on every side.
Yeah, exactly. So
it's not a conflict of interest.
No, it ain't. You're just trading against yourself.
Yeah. Fuck you, Kyle. I'm gonna trade against you today.
That's funny.
Where's the word of the day today, guys? All right. Axiomatic.
Axiomatic.
So the word is axiomatic. It is self-evident and obvious. Let's use it in a sentence. This, actually, I'm gonna make this. This short was axiomatic on Euro USD.
Self-evident.
Boom. No, this short was axiomatic because of the levels that were broken.
Yeah.
There, gives it context.
There we go. That's a good one.
There we go. Am I gonna ever use it? I don't know, but it's just fun to like just learn, guys. Learn. Okay, motivational quote of the day.
Broke lower.
It's really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. And that's from Confucius himself. Nice. Damn, is this minute gonna form? Oof. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. No, it's just 1 and 2 right now. But if this 1 and 2 minute forms like that, it's just like a little mini liquidity grab almost.
Yeah, I think that could be a liquidity grab, eh?
Because then it will have just found support again at that level. Oof. Yeah. But still, like if we're looking at the minute or the 2 minute chart, like the safest kind of area, like you were saying, if it forms above or maybe a buy stop at 1775, and then another entry at 81, because I think if it's a pullback, it could pull back around the 90s area, and that's
Yeah, I think 90s area, but I'm just looking at it right now. Might just continue, dude.
Oh yeah, higher time frames, it's definitely gonna be that.
Yeah, I think it could just continue. Ooh, yeah, no. Long is invalid. That's why I said wait till that breaks above 75. But now it's just like boom, higher time frames, right?
Yeah.
Pushing that lower. Either way, though, at this point, I think we had the long and the short. So
yeah,
it's pretty well defined.
Are you gonna enter?
What, the short?
Yeah.
No.
Wasn't there news at 8? Oh,
Was
final. No, it's nothing sequential. Final wholesale. The third quarter.
Yeah, it slowed down quite a bit. 5 minute looks like it's gonna go down though. How's a 2 minute look?
Yeah.
2 minute looks good.
Yeah. Yeah, it retested too the area. 66. Oh wow, here it comes.
Boom.
Here comes the pain. Yeah, the 1 minute from below the zone.
Yeah, it did.
And then it had a nice retest, so you'll 50 here. 50 there. Is it almost 10 pips? Wow, it's almost 10 pips.
Yeah, that is about 10 pips right there. So pretty dope how that works.
Yeah, higher time frames all say short. Now we need to justify that with the lower time frames. I think that just makes the whole thing I think with this trading it's like a more holistic approach. It's the higher time frames say it's a short,
but now you take everything into consideration, right? So we're taking everything. I think we learned that from yesterday when we got out of our shorts on that one trade.
Oh man. Yeah, because that saved us a lot of money.
Yeah, it did.
Well, I mean, for you entered earlier, so that was props on you. But for me, it saved me a lot more money.
But now, since we're both focusing on it, I feel like our entries, exits, all that good stuff is gonna be good. So
yeah, that's a view.
Yeah, I think this is gonna go to 40s even.
Yeah, 100 pips. 100 pip moves.
US dollar is strong. Let's see if your
What?
100 pip prediction was right.
Uh, 10 more pips. 10 more pips.
So if it hits like what 45, then that's 100 pips.
I'd say so from the top.
Yeah, okay. Let's see if it hits 45 and then we'll end the stream.
That's crazy though.
I'll be right back though, real quick. Yo.
No.
Oh damn, it went up a bit. Too crazy. Maybe it's slowing down.
Oh yeah. I mean the volatility's gone, right? Until
Yeah,
probably
it is.
noon. And then that's probably the last time we see anything.
I think I'm gonna end the stream though. I kind of want to work on the website. I feel good, so I think I can get trading basics all done with today.
Okay. Nice. And
Oh,
then
shit,
what
though.
should we do after that then? What should I do?
Did you do all of investing basics?
Yeah, it's done.
All of it. Eh?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Damn, that's nice.
Thank you.
Saudi Aramco. Nice. Hmm. Maybe you could do these sub pages now. Risk return explained or something.
Is that what we're gonna do with the videos for?
Oh, you just want a video in there?
Oh, I was thinking, well, we have to make 3 main videos and then risk and reward. I mean, I could write about it.
I think just
like,
have like, yo, so the thing with these ones, maybe you see these sub points?
yeah.
Maybe like for the video, we could just like have it in like point form. So it'd be like whatever risk point form, something like that. So like whatever we talk about in the video. So if it's gonna be risk and return in that video, talk about just have like risk, blah blah blah, like point form, kind of like a summary of what you want in the video, and then we could use these notes to actually make the video too. You know what I mean?
I gotcha.
So then it's
So
nothing
then
like
basically, I should come up with ideas for the videos for this.
yeah, basically ideas for the video. So if you want like to do risk and return explained or something like that, or like risk return page. So whatever you want in this video to say, right?
What happens if I just want
Let's watch this video.
time lapse of the cold winter?
Damn.
Majestic. It's not as good as the video you showed me.
Oh, Iceland, dude. Fuck, that's
Dude,
bucket list.
like, I honestly want to go so badly, man.
That's like, yeah, 100% bucket list.
Like that's definitely a place to get creative there.
But yeah, so I think here.
All right, yeah, I'll start working on the 3.
Dude, you don't have to make it too big. I don't feel like this needs a lot of content, but like whatever you want in the video we do.
No, I agree.
Just have like points in here. Basically, this will be the notes for the video, or like the video's notes in a sense, right?
Yeah.
And obviously, feel free to change up the picture. I just added some random shit.
That's nice.
And then yeah, asset classes, some global markets.
They're about the same. I'm assuming.
Yeah, they're all the same page, so I like this picture. It's the guy looking at global markets.
Yeah.
But
and
no,
they're all going up.
Yeah, just feel free to change everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think I'll work on that. I'll get it done today. So.
Okay.
Alright, well.
Yeah, I'll probably have that stuff done today or kind of this week.
Fair enough, no rush. But everybody, if you liked our breakdown and our analysis, leave a like.
Smash the like button and the subscribe button, everyone.
Smash it. Our calls and everything. But now I think we have a good trading plan going in to next week, tomorrow, trading days. But yeah, we'll see you guys next week. Probably this weekend for analysis and streaming.
Yeah.
But have a good day.